Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. Hopefully you can been watching all these videos. You can pick which one you want to buy, but I decided to pick up a different case today and just try it out. Why not? If you haven't checked out my top cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, check that out also. The links might be in the description. I might have to do a new one after some of these other cases I've been trying. This case I'm about to show you, hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. So I think it's called JEUTUCK maybe? It's a leather folding case. It's supposed to have the hinge coverage. It says no glue worried. It has a built-in screen protector, which is tempered glass, which is different than some of the cases with plastic on it. But I think JEUTUCK, or just JEUTUCK, I don't know how y'all pronounce that. Y'all let me know in the comments. But it comes in different colors too. I got the black, but it comes in blue. It comes in green. And then you can get an orange one. But I got black. Nice little packaging from them. It says no glue, but it has strips in here. Let's see how it fits without the strips on there. But I don't know about the built-in screen protector, but this is glass though. It's not plastic. So that might beat the other cases with the plastic on there, because that is definitely glass. And then this is the kickstand. The case itself has a little magnetic kickstand. Has some felt in the middle. I also have felt on the hinge, so you protect your hinge. Now it says no glue needed, but they do have these little strips here, as you can tell. But let's see what it does without the strips on there. I don't know, let's see how it fits too. Now, I'm hoping my display don't mess up, because I do have a screen protector on there already. But here it is. So do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. You can see you definitely get camera protection. You even get lip action around the front, but you also have the screen protector on there. You get the hinge protection here. So it doesn't add bulk to your phone either. The hinge protection is very slim. You also have the cutouts line up there pretty well. At the bottom, the cutout there is open for the USB microphone. Then the vine rockers and the power button are open, and they're easy to get to. What else? Let's see. I can get to the edge panel pretty easy, maybe, if I can grab it. Someone's trying to discover something. So you can get to the edge panel. The panel feels pretty good. Now, I do like this screen protector because it feels like you're touching glass, because you are. It's not the plastic ones. And the phone is responding even though I have two screen protectors on there. Now, in the overall fit, I didn't pull the adhesives off, and the fit is pretty good on that side. Even on this side, you can still see the adhesive strips there. When you open it up, you get some lip action, and then the back, it covers up the display a little bit, the front display. Most people have a complaint about that, but I don't think it's bad. It gives you that extra thing to hang on to I do like this case because it's thin, man. This is actually a good case. And that leather gives you some type of grip too. Does it smell like leather? Does it smell good? Let's do the smell test. Not really. Not really good. Let's pull out the kickstand. So the kickstand is a little flimsy, but I mean, it goes in there. It won't come out. And then, so when you have it like this, you can watch your videos. Or if that's too much of an angle, let's see. You can do it that way too if you want it a little bit lower. But if you're watching a video like that, that would be perfect. Let's see how it looks. Let's get it. So yeah, if you're looking at a video, that's a good angle. Or like if you want to write something, you can put it down like this and you can write with your pen. Or even watch a video too. So the kickstand is not like the sturdiest, but it works pretty good. I don't know, this one actually looks pretty good. It's $39 on Amazon. Right now, at the taping of this video, you have an $8 off gift card too, so, or coupon. But if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. Before that too, can you wireless charge? Again, I don't think you will have a problem. And as you can tell, you can wireless charge with it without any issues either. So most cases these days you can do that. But again, check the description, the links will be there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, also the Pixel 7 Pro. Also make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews, become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace, I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.